चलो इसकी भी एक्सरसाइज कर लेते हैं. Fill in the blanks with demonstrative pronouns. This is my book, that is yours. Next में है second में, these are ripe mangoes, those are unripe. Her face is more charming than that of Sita. The cap is white. This cap is white, but that is black. This is Mohan's pen. That is yours. अब B part है इसका. Pick out the demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives in the following sentences. This boy was late. अब ये boy के साथ यूज हुआ है, ये हो जाएगा demonstrative adjective. This is boy who was late. ये होगा demonstrative pronoun. This is too much for me. Demonstrative pronoun. That is not what I should advise. Demonstrative pronoun. These mangoes are sour. Demonstrative adjective. This servant speaks French. Demonstrative adjective. This is very old coat. Demonstrative pronoun. These are my books. Those are yours. Demonstrative pronoun. What is that noise? Demonstrative pronoun. This is the sound rule of health. Demonstrative pronoun. Now next type of pronoun is interrogative pronoun. Now read these sentences. Who made that noise? What is that matter? Which is your book? Whom did you want to see? Whose pen is this? It will be seen that pronouns who, what, which, whom, whose are used for asking questions. Pronouns used for asking questions are called interrogative pronoun. अब इनको interrogative pronoun बोलते हैं. Who, whom and whose are used for asking questions about persons. What is used for asking questions about things? Which is used for asking questions about particular person or thing, as which is the cleverest boy here, which is the best book. अब examine the following pair of sentences. Which way shall we take? Interrogative adjective है. Which is your pen? Interrogative pronoun है. What book has he selected? Interrogative adjective है क्योंकि इसको noun के साथ use किया है. What shall we do now? Interrogative pronoun है. So use the correct form of interrogative pronoun in the following sentences. Who wants to see the painting? What do you consider right? What shall we do now? What is your roll number? Which of the books have you read? Which is the shortest route to Pune? Who is calling me? When do you want to meet? Who broke the flower vase? Where is your car? अब डी पार्ट में है कि कौन सा इंटेरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन है और कौन सा इंटेरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव है. Who killed the giant? Interrogative pronoun. Whose books are those? Interrogative adjective. What shall we eat today? Interrogative pronoun. What is the matter? Interrogative pronoun. Which book do you like the best? Interrogative adjective. What novels have you read? Interrogative adjective. Which way did they go? Interrogative adjective. What pictures have you seen? Interrogative adjective. Which boy did this? Interrogative adjective. What do you want? Interrogative pronoun. Complete the work in your books. Thank you.